So guys, this video is going to go through algebra and introduction. We're going to look at substitution, which we've already kind of started looking into when I set the task of the algebra zoo, and we're going to explore simplifying or grouping terms. Now we're going to move on to another area of algebra called simplifying or grouping terms. And within this we have a golden rule. And that rule is that we only add and subtract, multiply and divide like terms. For example, 3x is similar to 10x because the variable of x is the same. Same way that 8y and minus 6y are also like terms because they share the same letter. So that means we can add and subtract the terms that are like. So let's start off with our x terms. We have minus 3x, minus 10x. Well, 3x minus 10x still gives me minus 7. Because I take the sign of the bigger number, which is 10. So my answer is going to be a minus, and I subtract the two of them, and I keep my x. Now I look at my y values and I say, well, 8y minus 6y will always leave me with 2y. 8y minus 6y is 2y. And you've now simplified that expression. It's really important to note that you can't simplify any further because they are now unlike terms. One has an x and one has a y. So we have answered the question fully. Now see how you get on with the learning check. And don't be worried by a C or an F, it's still solved the same way.